Hello, my name is Arif and I'm the founder and principal interior architect at 0 Inch Interiors Ltd.
Hi, I'm Dr. Pankaj Kund. I'm from Hair Free Hair Grow Clinic, India. I started our work since 2023 in Dhaka, Gulshans.
So this is an exciting project for us. Avante Aesthetic, one of the largest aesthetic clinic in Bangladesh, approaching us to design their flagship outlet on Gulshan Avenue. The space is around 5,000 square feet. Since it's their flagship clinic, our main design goal was to create a premium experience from the moment someone walks in. That's why we designed a large reception and lounge. We wanted it to feel more like a 5-star hotel lobby than a typical clinic.
Small space and very simple place in the Gulshans one. Then day by day our growth, our clinic is growing well, and we are getting lots of patients. We are getting lots of love from our patients in Bangladesh. So we need to move our clinic, our center in a very views and good interior space. So in that conditions we find the 0 Inch interior team. So it's very nice, and that also impressed to us to start to work with 0 Inch.
To create a stronger sense of space, we introduced a curved ceiling that adds flow and visual direction. We also softened the architecture by replacing sharp corner with curved edges. Together with a calm, muted color palette, the space feels more welcoming, comfortable, and refined. They offer two different services, aesthetic treatment and hair transplant. So instead of mixing everything together, we divided the layout into two clear zones, using the central column as the main divider. So VIP room. We also designed a VIP lounge and private studio to create a more personalized, private, and comfortable experience for the client. The materials, colors, and lighting are all selected to create a calm, elegant, and premium atmosphere.
In this, behind Mr. Aribai and his team, they always feel that its project is his own projects, and they always helping. The team working day and nights, they are doing very hard work. All of the team members, like in every step. And I'm really very thankful to Mr. Aribai and his teams to give me this light, more than my expectations.
Thank you for joining us on this design journey.